Today I decided to take a quick break from work and run a few errands. On top of that errand list is a stop at Hobby Lobby. But first, what kind of budget day is it for Angel? It's a Starbucks budget day. I'm gonna order my favorite, a venti iced coffee with heavy cream. You know, now that I think about it, I don't know if I know what it's like to go shopping in a store without also having to juggle a cup of coffee. I'm thinking about doing a bird theme in our half bath, so that's on the top of the list of things to find. And my cup of coffee is buckled safely in the child safety seat, and I'm ready to shop. I'm not in the store a full 5 minutes and I already found the cutest bird nest picture that I think will look great in my half bath. I also found this cute jar with a little bird on it. You can put knickknacks in it, cotton balls, whatever. So now next on my list, I thought, hey, it would be cool to find a shelf that's already painted gold, or maybe a shelf that I can paint gold to put underneath that picture. I didn't really see one this time, but I did see more bird pictures. I didn't know I was a bird lady, but I think I might be now. My mother-in-law would be proud. I also stopped by the spring aisle and I found these really pretty green eggs. They were on sale and I thought they would be really cute displayed under my bird pictures. Also in the spring kitchen aisle, I found this really cute towel that's pretty much all of my colors, and I found a matching apron. There were only 2 left, and at 40% off, it was hard to pass up. I'm not a huge cook, but maybe if I had a fun apron, I would be inspired to cook more. I think that pretty much wraps up my stop at Hobby Lobby. I was kind of running out of time and needing to get back home. Here I am putting all of my new finds in my 50-gallon tote. It's starting to get pretty full. I think I'm gonna probably have to start another tote pretty soon. I also found some great things at Dollar Tree as well as at Michael's, but I'm gonna do separate videos on those. I wanna thank you guys so much for tuning in to Angel's Green Acres. I'm excited to build this home and take you guys on the journey with me.